Welcome back. Is Goa not a part of India? Why is there so much of indifferences in Goa from other states? Claim the Bull Owners and the Area Organizers Association. They say that bullfight is permitted at all places in India. Then why not in Goa? Here is an exclusive report by Samir Bhatt.
Dhirio are a fixture between two bulls. It is the favorite game of Goans and mostly loved by all the Goenkars. During the feast time or any other function, people in olden days always organized these Dhirios. Dhirios entertain a large mass of the society. But because of cruelty to animals and to avoid any casualties, the government has banned Dhirios in the state. But the Bull Owners and Dhirio Organizers Association asked the government why Dhirios are banned in Goa when it is permitted in other states.
Dhirio premi. हांव म्हणटा कितें आमच्या गोंयांत कितें धिऱ्यो बंद सगळे कडेन चालू आहा कित्याक काल महाराष्ट्रा म्हाका एक स्पेशल म्हाज्या फ्रेंडान इनवायट केल्लो ते इनवायटा खातीर हांव मुद्दम पळोवपाक गेल्लो थंय धिऱ्यो चालू आहा काय ना त्यो महाराष्ट्रा वेंगुर्लाच्यान मापण म्हणटा तें गांव आहा थंयच्यान 4 किलोमिटर
की धिऱ्यो खंय असल्या जाग्यार जातात जंयसर कॅज्युअलिटी जावंक शकता जंयसर कोणाकूय कॉमन मॅनाक इंजरी जावंक सोदता तेन्ना हांव ह्या भावाक सांगूंक सोदतां खंयच्याय खेळाक कॅज्युअलिटी नासतना कसलोय स्पोर्ट ना जावं तो क्रिकेट जावं तें फुटबॉल जावं तें रेसलिंग कसलोय स्पोर्ट जावं कॅज्युअलिटी तूं कितलीय सेक्युरिटी आसूं कॅज्युअलिटी नासतना कांयच जायना.
The Bull Owners and Dhirio Organizers Association have demanded that Dhirio should be legalized. But the point is entertainment above law?
Even after so much of pleading to Margao municipality, the officials have not initiated their move towards clearing illegal hutments in Murida village. The agitated residents then called on MMC Chief Officer YB Tavade on Monday to solve their problem by 4th of December.
Few weeks back, the villagers of Murida had informed that the migrant laborers dumped their garbage next to their fields, affecting the growth of their farm. The villagers claimed that many robberies are also taking place in the village. The villagers later met chairperson of Margao municipality and demanded that illegal hutments residing at Murida should be removed.
So we want them to be removed.
Here is what Tadin Dayas told Prudent Media.
24 तारखे म्युनिसिपालिटी मेमोरेंडम दिल्लो आणि कलेक्टरा मेमोरेंडम दिल्लो की इलिगल हाटमेंट जे मुरिडा आयल्या जे बिल्डरान हाडून इलिगल वर्कर्स दवरल्या लेबरर्स दवरल्या अराउंड 1000 तांची फॅमिली पासून तांकां काडचे म्हणून आणि इलिगल हाटमेंट्स काडचे म्हणून ते आयज पासून काडूना हाका लागून आयज आमी सीओ घेराव घातला.
In action of drive of removal of the hutments, and as you are also witness, we have removed from some places. Now this place is left out because you know that in between the incident of Mumbai, we could not get police from the police department, and without police my technical section will feel unsafe and they will not go on the dive. Therefore we have suspended that dive. I told them that I am resuming the drive on the very day or when I will get police, that is likely to get on 4th.
When irate villagers had met Savio Coutinho some days ago regarding the same issue, he had assured them that he would inspect the site and take necessary measures. But no action has been taken so far. Our reporter at Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
Pursao. A procession was taken by Fondekers to Old Goa Church to pay their vows to St. Francis Xavier Feast, which is celebrated on 3rd December every year.
This group of people is now heading to Old Goa to witness the feast. They started walking from Ponda in the night.
एकदम चड लोक जाला गेले ते वर्सा 10 जाण 11 जाण बाळासले आनी हांव एकटी आसलो आनी ओंदू खूब आमी जाले हांव खूब खुशी आनी फुडल्या वर्सा देवान हेजे चड हाडचें म्हणून हांव अशें येता.
आमी एक भावार्थसो घेवन आमी ही यात्रा म्हळ्यार अशें तो आमी चलोन वयता. हीच हे आमच्या सान फ्रांसिस्कान आख्ख्या संवसाराक पासून हीच हे केल्ली, म्हणजे देवाचें उतरशें सगल्यांक तेणें परगोड केलेलें. तेच भाशेन आमी तेच आनी ताकदशी आमच्या आंगांत एक ताकद आहा ती हें करून आमी ओल्ड गोवा वयतात.
This is one of the way to pay their vows to Almighty with faith and trust in God. Many Hindus also join them in this procession. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Let's look at the headlines once again. IFFI concludes with Kamal Hassan's most kept secret. College Bandh receives mixed response. A special tribute to all NSD commandos and ATS personnel. And Murida residents Gerao Margao Chief Officer for removal of illegal hutments. And with this we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media. Watch more news in our Konkani Bulletin. Security beefed at Old Goa. ST community comes out with Jagruti rally. And Mapsa Municipality Chairperson Sneha Bobe resigns.